Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hima Subramanian. Fried rice is always enjoyable and can be made in different ways. I've made several fried rice recipes earlier. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. So today I'm going to show you all a nice street style chicken fried rice which you usually find on the street side food carts. This is absolutely amazing. So why wait? Let's get started and check it out. I have all the ingredients required to marinate the chicken here. I'm taking half kilo of boneless chicken pieces. Wash them nicely and put them in a large bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and the juice of half lemon. Now mix everything well. Also crack open an egg and mix well too. Make sure the egg coats the chicken pieces well. Marinate the chicken for about an hour. After 1 hour, pour oil for deep frying in a kadai. Once the oil is heated, gently add the chicken pieces in small batches and fry them until they are nicely cooked. Keep the flame on medium and fry until the chicken pieces are turned to a nice brown color. Once done, remove them from the pan and transfer them to a bowl or plate with a paper towel. Fry the remaining chicken pieces the same way and keep aside. Now cut all the fried chicken pieces into small pieces and put them aside. We have all the ingredients required to make the street style chicken fried rice here. First take a wide wok, heat it, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 finely chopped large green chilies, 1 thinly sliced onion and saute on high flame. After a minute, add 1 cup of finely chopped beans, 1 cup of finely chopped carrots, half cup of finely chopped capsicum, 1 cup of sliced cabbage and mix well. Saute these veggies on a high flame for about 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 teaspoons of red chilli flakes and mix well. Now add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and also mix well. Make a well in the center and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add salt and pepper powder to 2 cracked eggs. Whisk and gently drop it all into the kadai. Keep the flame on medium and let the eggs cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the eggs are cooked, gently start mixing it and mix it all with the veggies around. You can also add 1 to 2 extra eggs if you like. Now add the fried chicken pieces and mix everything together. After the veggies and chicken pieces are nicely blended together, add the cooked basmati rice. I already cooked 1 cup of soaked basmati rice with the 250 ml cup measurement and I'm adding the same to the kadai. Mix it all gently so the rice does not break. Make sure the rice, chicken and the vegetables are nicely mixed. You can add the cold basmati rice if you want it to stay intact. Finally, add finely chopped spring onion greens and whites. Adding these would add a nice crunch to the rice. Now mix it all well again. That's it. Our street style chicken fried rice is ready to be served hot and nice. You can have it as it is or you can serve it with any Manchurian by the side. So time to taste. Beautiful. So if you have any guests coming over or any special occasions for the weekends, you can try this recipe. I'm sure everybody will absolutely enjoy it, and it also makes for a very nice lunchbox recipe. Do try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.